Okay, class, let's look at overlapping triangles. The best way to do it is look at the triangles we're talking about. So here we have triangles A, B, D. So go A, B, D. Then let me help you to trace it, or you can just draw it out. D, C, A. I'm going to take those two triangles, and the other ones that overlap. There's here, and there's there. But this was B, A, C, and here was D, C, A. What did they share? They both share this side A, D. Now let's look at ABD, A, B, D. And then let's look at B, A, C, B, A, C. They share this BA right here. Okay? That's what we're doing with overlapping triangles. You want to take them apart, find what they share. So let's look here. Let's redraw these two triangles. A, B, C. A, B, C. And D, C, B. And they share this right there. Number 4, a little more complicated. B, Y, A. B, Y, A. B, Y, A. And it helps. See how they mark some stuff? You probably should mark it as well. Let's look at C, X, A. C, X, A. There was one tick mark there and that. So what did they share? They actually both had the same angle, A. These two triangles are congruent by angle, side, angle. The key here is they share A. I want you to take a second now and complete your overlapping triangles. All right, now let's look at some proofs. Let's look at the things that are given to us, right? And that may help us because we have a bunch of triangles that we can use here. So we are saying ZXW, ZXW is congruent to YWX. So let's put that as our given because we're using it right now. ZXW congruent to YWX. Given. So we have one angle. And then it's telling us ZWX. Oh wait, it's that whole one right there. And YXW. Well, that's that whole one. So I'm thinking, since I'm using this whole angle here, I'm going to be using the larger triangle ZWX and YWX. Well, let's see. What am I trying to prove? I'm trying to prove ZW and YX, ZW and YX, so it is them. So I may want to do this. I'm going to draw the two triangles I'm going to prove congruent. ZWX, YXW. Let's label it out. There's that and that I pulled out there. And then there's that and that I pulled out of Y, or each side. Well, let's see. They share this piece right here, right? That's the piece that they share. WX is congruent to WX. That's our reflexive property of congruence. So now I just proved the two triangles are congruent, right? Angle, side angle. So I've got triangle ZWX. And let's make sure we line it up. The Z corresponds with the Y. The W in the first triangle corresponds with the X. See how the blue and the blue, and then the X corresponds with the W. So this W is not the same for both triangles. Look at your color coordinating, or if you're just using the same color, you have one tick mark and one tick mark, 2 and 2, angle, side, angle, and then we had our ZW congruent to YX, CPC.